everybody, I'm Tina from homeschoolinginoils.com, and today I'm going to be talking to you about just having a quick meal, because I don't know about you guys, but I am super duper busy, and trying to balance it all sometimes can get a little bit hectic, like trying to figure out what you're doing with homeschooling, working, trying to become an entrepreneur, and trying to keep dinner going, meals going. Although my kids do help out some, sometimes I just like to have everything ready, just make me feel like I'm accomplished. But rest assured, they will be cooking the rest of the week. But anyway, I just want to come on very, very quick. For those of you who do not know me, like I said, I'm Tina Jacobs Ramsey from Homeschooling and Oils. My specialties are homeschooling and also talking to you about health and wellness. I do education consultations and basically just helping you with your homeschooling needs and just basically educational stuff as well. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and get right into why I'm doing this. I'm super duper busy. I have to go and do some of my volunteer work later on this evening, this early afternoon towards evening. So I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my mom hat. If you guys do not have a power pressure cooker or anything that is a pressure cooker, I encourage you to go get one because it is a lifesaver. I'm just gonna show you a very quick way that you can make, I know everybody makes spaghetti, but this is like so easy that you can just drop everything in here and go. So due to how my kitchen is laid out, I can't talk to you face forward, which is a little strange. I never paid attention to it until now I'm trying to do this video. So I'm gonna be going like this. So the first thing you can do, just get you some pre-made meatballs. You put them in the pressure cooker. And I like to put my meat to the bottom of the pressure cooker so that the meat can get well cooked. Although these are fully cooked, I still like to do that. Then after that, you get whatever spaghetti noodles or whatever that you want to use. Some people like grain, some people like wheat noodles, some people like whatever kind you like. It's no big deal. I break mine in half. Even though I have a big pressure cooker, I usually just break mine in half. I don't know why. I just do it. Give me a little exercise for today. And so this is what I do, which is super duper easy. This is all the prep. Take about 5 minutes to prep. Then after that, you use whatever spaghetti sauce. If you're super duper like hands-on DIY, you can make your own spaghetti sauce. But right now I'm cheating and I'm using regular spaghetti sauce. But I do like to use organic. Just my personal preference. You can use whatever you want to use. And you pour it all the way across over the top of your spaghetti. And the key is when you're cooking in a pressure cooker, when you're making spaghetti, you want to make sure that you totally coat all of the spaghetti noodles. So after that, I'm putting in my spaghetti sauce. I usually season it. I use real salt, ancient fine sea salt. It's very, very good to help with balancing high blood pressure or whatever you want to call it, because it's really, really good. It's like a mineral salt. I don't use other table salt. I only use this, and it has a great taste. So I just put a little bit, not a lot. And then I use organic garlic powder. Usually I use fresh garlic, but I don't have any. So I just use a little bit of that. And then my key ingredients that I love to use is my basil essential oil. Oh, spaghetti sauce on my hand. Or oregano. So I only put 1 to 2 drops. 1, 2. Because oregano is a very strong essential oil, but it has such good properties, like it helps support the immune system. If you're feeling below the wellness line, grab your basil and your oregano because it has so many good properties. I encourage you just to Google it, to look it up to see about all the great benefits for oregano and basil. So for educational purposes only, I decided to do this. Usually I just dump it till it feel right. But anyway, I use a cup of water, and I just make sure I fill it all the way. And see, right now, I see that all of my spaghetti noodles are not covered. So let me go over here and get my purified water right quick. And I will be right back. And so the key to it is you want to make sure that all your spaghetti noodles are covered with water. And so that your noodles will cook properly. Because if you don't cover your noodles with water, make sure they're totally immersed in the water, you will notice that your noodles don't cook out thoroughly. So I'm actually going to need some more water. Okay. Okay, now they're totally immersed in the water, everything. And so now the only thing I do now, put my top on, make sure I have it closed to pressurize it, and I go and just set my timer. Set it for, I set mine for 30 minutes, but some people set theirs for 25. And that's it. Walk away. That's the only thing that you do. You just set it, prep it, and just walk away. And the cool thing about it is, once it goes off, this will go into warming mode. So, say for example, you're out and about, and you're like, oh my goodness, I left the spaghetti on. You don't have to worry about it. It's automatic. It will stay on warming mode, and it will keep your food at ideal temperature so that bacteria and all that won't form in it. It's very healthy. I'm telling you, it has saved my life many, many times. So that's what I do when I'm rushing. Like today, I feel like I'm behind. And then I'm gonna cook a vegetable. I like to use frozen. If I don't have fresh vegetables, I like to use frozen. That's just my preference. I just think it tastes a whole lot better. And when you keep your vegetables at its most natural state, you get more vitamins and nutrients that way. So therefore, if I don't go out and get it fresh from the farmer's market, because I am not a gardener, so I do go out and buy my produce. If I don't get it fresh from them or fresh in a grocery store, I will always buy frozen because the can is just yucky. Okay, so a little quick thing that I also do is I use purified water, and when you're using essential oils to make drinks, you need to make sure you use glass or stainless steel. Okay, so I already have my purified water. One of my favorite drinks that I like to do is Thieves. I use Thieves to make a very good refreshing drink. I put maybe 5 to 6, maybe 7 drops in. And a lot of people saying, my goodness, girl, you drink essential oils? Well, guess what? The oils that I use, the Vitality line, is okay for consumption. Oh. So I use lemon. Now put a couple drops in. I love lemon because lemon just has so many good properties. And I use orange. Now, you can sweeten it any way that you want. Some people use agave. Some people use honey. Some people, whatever you choose. Today, I am just going to use my organic raw sugar cane. And I just pour some in and then mix it up. And that's it. Easy peasy, right? So I just want to come on right quick. Dinner is practically done. The only thing that I'm going to have left to do now is make garlic bread. And I don't have all the things out, but a quick little hack for garlic bread is just take sliced bread. If you make your bread yourself, which is excellent, we do that every now and then. Take you some bread or whatever you want to use, and you just melt down some butter. And then after that, you take your garlic powder and you just spread it across. You just spread it across the thing and then you bake it. That's it. So why spend $5 and $6 for garlic bread when you can do it yourself? Just melt the butter, have some garlic powder, and do it yourself. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and it is delicious, people. So that's my mom hack for today. I just got to go ahead and do my vegetables and do my garlic bread, and dinner will be done. that's it. You guys have a great rest of your day. I hope that this helped you guys. For all the moms who are busy, but they still want to cook a meal for their family, and well, that's what I do. So mom hack for today, go get you a pressure cooker. You guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later.